8 great ways to start the day for brain health. Let's explore 8 great ways to kickstart our mornings and prioritize our brain health. By incorporating these habits into our daily routine, we can enhance our cognitive function, boost our mood, and set the stage for a productive day. Our brain is the control center of our body, responsible for processing information, regulating emotions, and coordinating bodily functions. By taking proactive steps to support brain health, we can reduce the risk of cognitive decline, improve memory and focus, and enhance overall cognitive performance. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for brain function. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Make your bedroom sleep-friendly, keep it cool, dark and quiet. Establish a consistent bedtime routine and avoid electronics before bed. Hydrate your brain. Dehydration can impair brain function and lead to cognitive decline. Start your day by drinking a glass of water to rehydrate your body and brain. Fuel your brain with a healthy breakfast. A nutritious breakfast provides our brain with the energy we need to function optimally. Opt for a balanced meal that includes protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Mindful meditation has numerous benefits for brain health, stress reduction, improved focus, and enhanced emotional resilience. Set aside a few minutes in a quiet space and focus on your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise strengthens our body, but also has remarkable benefits for brain health. Engaging in regular aerobic exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new neurons, and enhances cognitive function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise. Spending time in nature has a restorative effect on our brain and overall well-being. Take a stroll in a nearby park, go for a hike, or simply sit in your backyard and bask in the beauty of nature, keeping your brain active and engaged. Start your day by engaging in activities that stimulate your mind, such as solving puzzles or playing brain training games. These activities can enhance memory, improve problem-solving skills, and promote neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself. Gratitude has a profound impact on our mental well-being and brain health. Each morning, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Write them down in a gratitude journal or simply express them internally. A grateful mindset can reduce stress, increase positive emotions, and improve overall brain function. Starting our day on the right foot is essential for maintaining optimal brain health. Give your brain the care and attention it deserves. Small changes can make a big difference, so why not try implementing these habits and begin your journey towards a healthier and sharper mind? Be well, my friends.